guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of the easiest recipes ever. These are goat cheese cigars, as you read in the title. They have honey drizzle and they're made with some fresh sprinkle of thyme. They're absolutely delicious and extremely customizable. So let's get started. Here I have some phyllo dough. It's been thawed. You can find this in the frozen section of your grocery store. Once you unwrap it, you're only going to need a sheet at a time. So keep this wrapped. Lay your sheet down on the board and you're going to cut this into 4 pieces. Once your pieces are cut, you're just going to brush it with some butter. Sprinkle the phyllo with some fresh thyme, just the little leaf parts, not the stem. I have some goat cheese here. This is already crumbled, or you could buy the bar of it. Crumble it yourself if you like. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on the edges. Drizzle some honey over the goat cheese. And now you're gonna roll this up like a cigar, just as you would a burrito. Add them to a baking sheet. And that's it, guys. All you're gonna do last is just brush the tops with a little melted butter. These are gonna bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. There they go, guys. They're halfway done. As you can see, the tighter you roll the cigar, the more plump they'll become. If they're a little bit like loosely rolled, they're gonna be a little soggy. And I don't know if you could tell, they release so much of the butter, you don't need to brush too much of it on. All right, guys, they are all baked up. I'm just gonna put a little more honey on top. I told you guys, weren't those quick? I mean, look how beautiful they look. Serve these for any dinner party and people, as usual, will be like, wow, what is that? It looks like a real cigar. Look at that. Does this not look like a real cigar? You could serve this over some spring mix or maybe some arugula. Maybe slice a few melon slices in here. Let's give it a try. That crunch is everything. Honey and goat cheese is like a match made in heaven. The thyme is extremely earthy and delicious. The combo is like no other. I would also make these with maybe some cranberry and brie cheese, or if I want something more dessert-like, I would just stuff these with Nutella and then, you know, brush it with butter, roll it up, and bake it the same way. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out, and as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.